Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be looking into an issue that occurs during installing applications using Flatpak. This problem occurs mostly due to interruptions during downloads or installation by having a network failure or anything of that sort. So as you can see here in my pop shop, I have this application and I'm trying to install it, and I have an error saying it failed to install the software and it says aborted due to failure. I tried to install the same application using terminal and I had issues over here as well. As you can see here, it says failed to install while trying to check such and such files. So to fix this error, we must repair and verify the Flatpak packages. So let's open the terminal. Before that, if you enjoyed this video and if this solves the issue, please consider hitting the like button, and a subscription to this channel will be amazing. So let's clear the screen first and then type the following commands: Flatpak repair user. So what this does is it verifies all the packages that's installed using Flatpak, and if there is any issues, it just repairs it. So let's wait for this to complete. Now the verification is complete. So let's open the pop shop and try to install the application again. And the installation is successful without any problems. So we have fixed the issue. Thank you for watching the videos, friends. If this is what you were looking for, give it a thumbs up, and a subscription for the channel will be wonderful.